In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable AI in Notion. This is really useful if you're managing a workspace and you want a more traditional Notion experience, or you just need tighter control over how AI is used across your team. Keep in mind that you'll need to be a workspace owner or an admin to follow these steps, because only they can adjust these AI settings for everyone. First, open Notion and go to your home view. You can do this either in the desktop app or in your browser. The layout is basically the same. Once you're on the home screen, look toward the left-hand sidebar. Near the top, you'll see an option labeled Settings, sometimes shown as Settings and Members, depending on your version. Click on Settings. This opens a panel where you can manage everything related to your workspace, from billing to members and, in our case, AI. Inside this panel, you'll see a list of sections along the left. Look for the section called Features. Go ahead and click on Features to expand the options related to the tools and capabilities available in your workspace. Within Features, you should see an option specifically for Notion AI. Click on Notion AI to open its settings page. This is where Notion groups everything related to the AI assistant, including how it behaves and what it's allowed to do. You may see an area that talks about picking a name, choosing an accessory, and setting how Notion AI talks and helps you. This is basically the customization area for the AI assistant's personality and style. Even though we're not customizing it right now, it's a good sign that you're in the right place. From here, look for a link or tab labeled Admin Preferences. Click on Admin Preferences to switch from personal customization to workspace-level controls. This is the critical part. These settings affect all members of the workspace, not just your own account. In the Admin Preferences section, you'll see several toggles or switches related to AI. These typically include options to allow AI features in the workspace, enable AI properties in databases, and sometimes allow things like web search or external content. To effectively disable AI in Notion, turn off the highlighted toggles related to AI usage. Make sure that AI features and AI properties are switched off, and disable any web search or external AI features if they appear. Once those are turned off, your workspace members will no longer have access to Notion AI tools. There's usually no separate save button here. The changes apply immediately, and that's all you need to do to disable AI in Notion for your workspace.